Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing and first impressions video. This time around I've got the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 here. It's a smartphone gimbal, so it is used as a stabilizer for taking videos with your iPhone or your Android device, but the app is more optimized for iPhone. So I recommend if you got an iPhone, you're definitely going to want to pick this one up. If you're into content creation, anything like that, you're definitely going to want to use a stabilizer because it'll just improve the overall quality of your videos. So let's get this unboxed. I'll show you the now this is off of Amazon. It costed, I'll leave a link down in the description, so you get your manual, your quick start guide in the box, and then it comes in this styrofoam case. This is what it looks like. Protective case. So it just pops open like that. It's even got a little hinge. So here is the gimbal itself. You get your charging cord. It is micro USB. Unfortunately, it is not USB Type-C. And then the actual gimbal. So that's all that's in the box. It is a very simple unboxing experience. There's not a lot to it. But here's the gimbal. You put your smartphone up in here. This is your pan button. This is for your record. And I'll go through all the features of this in a separate video, but mainly this is just an unboxing, kind of a first impressions video, give you guys a little bit of insight as to what it is and what it does. Zoom in and out over here. But overall, it feels, definitely feels solid. I never owned the first one. This is my first smartphone gimbal, so I don't have any other previous experiences with gimbals to go off of. So this one overall feels very good in the hand. It's got a nice grip right here. From what I saw online, there used to be a trigger over here that was very useful to many people. I know people were upset that they got rid of that, but again, I wouldn't know how good or bad it was. So all you do to put your phone in, this is spring loaded right here. So take your phone and you would, it's very grippy. You would slide it in like this. So it looks like this. Now, I haven't balanced it yet. It's not even on yet, but there's a little, and there's a little thing right here that you use to balance it. This little knob is used to balance it. But again, I'll do a separate video with this whole thing, showing off what you can do with it and what kind of video you can take with it. Again, it's highly recommended that you use an iPhone. The DJI Osmo Mobile app, from what I've seen, is optimized more for iOS than it is Android. So this is the DJI Osmo Mobile 2 gimbal. It runs Bluetooth 4.0. Unfortunately, it's not Bluetooth 5. It's got a 2600 milliamp hour battery in it, which equates to about 15 hours. And again, we'll put that to the test. We'll see if that's really true or not. But yeah, that's pretty much the basics of this. So if you want to see the future video of kind of what you can do with it, what kind of video you can take with it, what to expect out of it, battery life, etc., then leave a like and subscribe, and I'll be sure to make that video. And also leave a comment down there on kind of what you would want to see. Like, do you want to see like action shots? Do you want to see nature shots, like panning shots? All of that information will be extremely helpful in coming up with a video to show something that would be enjoyable for you guys to watch. So anyway, that's it overall. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention it fits a you can put it on a tripod at the bottom, right down there. So that's really nice. So instead of the tripod being over here, it's now on the bottom. So that's really good. But anyway, that's the unboxing. That's my first initial impressions of it. I think it's going to be a lot of fun to use this, and I can't wait to see what kind of content I can make for you guys with it. So anyway, that's it. As always, have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.